Para meron ka rin ano. Sa 1.5.
Para may 200 ka.
Dahil sa 1.5 namin, 50 ka lang. 50 ka lang sa 1.5 namin.
Ayan, si Day Day. Sino ba ito nag-request?
Mamaya ka na sumuso.
Single ladies.
Sige na.
Oh, single ladies. Oh, single ladies. Oh, single ladies. So put your hands up. Teka na po, search ko lang ha.
Hello po din kila Madam Angel.
Ay, hello po. Mag-hello ka sa mga basher mo.
Hello po sa inyo mga basher friend tayo. Kanina natatawa ko rin sa mga nag-comment eh. Umalis ka na dyan, di ka dyan kasali. Aray ko. Dito ko siya. Wala kayong magagawa. Nandito ako.
At nandyan kayo.
Oo, dyan lang kayo. Manood na lang kayo.
All the single ladies. All the single ladies. All the single ladies. All the single ladies. Now put your hands up. Up in the club. Just broke up. Doing my own little thing. Decided to dip, but I wanna chip chips. It's another bright bloody sleep. I'm up on him, he's up on me. Don't pay him any attention. Cause I got Jesus. Good yes, you can be mad at me. Cause if you love me, oh, come on. Ito rin po yung nagano. Don't be when I just see you all one. You can like it, you should have got straight on it. Oh, 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 oh. Asa na sa ating sugar? Malo yung bibigay. Oh, ating sugar, hindi ka. I need no mission, get attention, attention. She had to turn back, I know that what it really feels like to me. Cause if you let me do it, napapagod ako, Ben. Don't be mad, just sit and walk in. If you like it, then you should have been ring on it. Oh, 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 oh. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Don't be mad when you say it up. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Oh, 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 oh. Turn me to the things of the world. I'm not that kind of girl. You'll love this world forever, what I deserve. Isn't that makes me get this believe it's me. Grabe na ipag mo. Stand by the one who are. Ano yun? I'm singing it. I'm singing it. I'm singing it. Now put your hands up. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, 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 oh. If you like the need, you should have put a ring on it. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Don't be mad when you see them in the wrong. If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it. Ito ganyan, patalikod ka kasi. Walang naalok na ganyan. Grabe. Raina, that's Raina. Sino yun? Ano yung sir? Ayun. Pangako mo sa akin.
Parang nakakailang beses niyang pag-
Pero kantahin muna natin siguro yung ano, yung kapiraso mong lawit bago natin siya tawagin. Para sa nag-request po, kantahin ko na sa mga viewers natin, talagang hinihintay nila to. Lyrics ito ng ano ng RX Unit. Ayan. Ayan. Kinanta ko lang po siya, balik in-over ko siya. Hindi ko talaga totally nagsulat. Iba po yung mga parody songs na mga sinusulat ko. But